Hey folks, it's Chad here at Stouffville Toyota. Today I wanted to show you one of our as-is specials. It's a 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. This Malibu has actually only had one owner. There's no accidents on the history. It does have keyless entry. It's got a black cloth interior. It's actually got low mileage, about 113,000 I believe. It's got nice chrome alloy wheels on it. The space in the trunk. It's the Malibu LT package. Yeah, this car's definitely in good shape, and it's a great chance to save some money as it's up as an as-is special. You're welcome to come in and take it out for a test drive. Before you do so, send me an email at chad@stouffvilletoyota.ca and we'll set up a time.